I'm Geoffrey Holland. I'm a journalist, author, and devoted voice for a more compassionate and sustainable world. Through my interviews, my novel, and my humanitarian storytelling, I champion a future rooted in gender-equal partnership and ecological stewardship. It will be shaped by a covenant of cooperation between humans and intelligent AI. My commitment is to awaken our shared sense of virtue, the kind of virtue that honors life, respects the earth, and empowers people everywhere to choose love over fear, justice over greed, and wisdom over ignorance and self-interest.